Good day, everyone. Our topic is about considerations of technical documents, overview of technical writing. So, what is technical writing? So, technical writing is the process of conveying technical information in a clear, concise, and accessible manner. It involves translating complex concepts into understandable language for a target audience. So, we have six important considerations in writing on technical writing. So first is know your audience. First and foremost, consideration for writing technical documentation is to know who you are writing for and what they need to know. You should tailor your language, tone, structure, and level of detail to match the expectations and goals of your audience. For example, if you're writing for end users, you should focus on explaining how to perform tasks and solve problems using clear and simple instructions, examples, and screenshots. If you are writing for developers, you should focus on explaining how the system works using the technical terms, code snippets, and diagrams. So, the second one is follow the standards. When writing technical documentation, it's important to follow the standards and conventions that are widely accepted in your field, and doing so will help ensure consistency, accuracy, and readability of your documentation, as well as avoiding confusion and ambiguity. This includes using a style guide to define grammar, punctuation, spelling, formatting, and terminology rules. So the third one is test and review testing your technical documentation. So prior to release is essential for identifying and fixing any errors, gaps, or inconsistencies. To do this, you can proofread your documentation for spelling, grammar, and punctuation errors with the help of tools such as Grammarly or Hemingway. So additionally, you should test your documentation for functionality, accuracy, and clarity by following your own instructions, examples, and code snippets, and verifying the expected results. So for the fourth one is update and maintain. So this fourth consideration for writing technical documentation is to ensure that it is kept relevant, current, and useful for your audience. To do this, you should track and document any changes and updates you make to your system, such as new features or fixes. You should also update and revise your documentation accordingly by adding, deleting, or modifying any content that reflect the changes. So for the fifth one is be concise and clear. So documentation, when technical writing, it is important to be concise and clear. This will help you effectively communicate your message to your audience and avoid any confusion. To achieve this, use short and simple sentences and paragraphs that express one idea or point at a time. And for the last one, be consistent and coherent. The sixth and final consideration for for technical writing is to maintain consistency and coherence. Doing so will create a sense of unity, order, and logic in your documentation while preventing contradiction and confusion. And that would be all my part, and proceed. I will be passed to my co-reporter. Thank you.
Is all about overview of technical writing. So, technical writing is a communication that aims to convey complex information in a clear and concise manner to a specific audience. It is used in various fields such as engineering, medicine, technology, and science to document process, procedures, instructions, and other technical information. The technical writing is indeed a critical form of communication used across various industries to convey complex information effectively. For example, in engineering, technical writing is essential for documenting the specifications and guidelines for building structures or machinery. And medicine, it's utilized to detail procedures for administering treatments or conducting surgeries. Similarly, in technology and science, technical writing is used to explain intricate concepts such as coding, algorithm, or scientific research findings to a specific audience in a clear and concise manner. Audience analysis, understanding the audience is crucial in technical writing. Writers must consider the reader's knowledge level, re- expertise, background, and specific needs when crafting technical documents. Audience analysis in technical writing involves understanding the characteristics and needs of the readers who will interact with the document. For instance, if the audience comprises experts in a particular field, the writer can use technical and terminology and assume a higher level of understanding. Conversely, if the students consist of beginners or non experts, the writer should use simpler language and provide more explanation. Next, clarity and precision. Technical writing prioritizes clarity and precision. If it avoids ambiguity, jargon, and unnecessary complexity, aiming to convey information in a straightforward manner. In technical writing, clarity and precision are paramount to ensure that the intended message is communicated accurately and effectively. By avoiding ambiguity, jargon, and unnecessary complexity. Technical writers make information more accessible to their audience, which may include both experts and non experts in the field. For instance, instead of using vague terms like a significant amount or a large number, technical writers would specify exact quantities of measurements to provide precise information. Next, organization. So, technical documents are typically well organized and structured logically. They often follow a standardized format such as introduction, body, and conclusion, or they use a specific structure like procedures, specification, or reports. Organization is a fundamental aspect of technical writing, ensuring the information is presented in a clear and logical manner. Standardized formats such as introduction, body, and conclusion help readers navigate the documents easily, providing a familiar structure that enhances comprehension. Next, language and style. Technical writing employs a formal tone and specific terminology relevant to the subject matter. It favors active voice, simple sentence structures, and consistent terminology to enhance readability and comprehension. And technical writing, language, and style play crucial roles in effectively communicating complex information to the audience. Employing a formal tone establish credibility and professionalism, which is essential when conveying technical concepts. Specific terminology relevant to the subject matter ensures precision and clarity, as it accurately describes technical detail without ambiguity. So next, visual aids. Graphics, charts, diagrams, and other visual aids are commonly used in technical writing to complement the text and facilitate understanding. Visual elements can help clarify complex concepts, illustrate procedure, or present data more effectively. Visual aids such as graphics, charts, and diagrams are frequently employed in technical writing to enhance comprehension and clarity. These visual elements serve to supplement the text by providing additional context, illustrating complex ideas, demonstrating the procedures step by step, or presenting data in more digestible format. By incorporating visual aids, technical writers can effectively communicate information to their audience, making it easier to understand and retain complex concepts or instructions.
So, good evening everyone. My name is Joanna Marie Bayutas. So, first, my assigned topic, it's all about the accuracy and completeness. And the second one is adaptability and accessibility. So first, let's tackle about accuracy and completeness. So accuracy refers to the correctness and precision of the information presented in technical documents. So it involves ensuring that every detail, data point, fact, and statement is true and reliable. So inaccurate information can lead to confusion, errors, or even safety hazards. To maintain accuracy, so let's conduct thorough research from credible sources to gather accurate data and information. So the second one, completeness. So completeness refers to the extent to which a technical document covers all necessary information required for its intended purpose. So it ensures that readers have everything they need to understand the topic or perform task successfully. So by prioritizing accuracy and completeness in technical writing, writers can create documents that are reliable, informative, and actionable for their extended audience. So this ultimately enhances the effectiveness and credibility of the communication. So our last topic, it's all about adaptability and accessibility. So first, adaptability in technical writing refers to the capacity of documents to adjust or tailor their content to suit different audiences, contexts, or situations. So it ensures that the information remains relevant and useful across various scenarios, accommodating diverse user needs and preferences. So in accessibility, in technical writing, refers to the inclusivity of documents, ensuring that they are usable and understandable by individuals with disabilities or diverse needs. So it promotes equal access to information for all users, regardless of their physical or cognitive abilities. By removing barriers and providing alternative means of access. So by by incorporating adaptability and accessibility principles into technical writing, writers can create documents that are inclusive, user-friendly, and effective in reaching a wide range of audience, ultimately enhancing the usability and impact of the communication. Thank you.